Okay, we're going to do the apprentice stol 700 today. Whoa, she's bugging out. What the heck? That was a good one. She didn't want to take off today. I like the way this plane flies. She's nice. Quiet. It's an enjoyable flight. It's a little windy today. You could see her bouncing around back here. She should be alright. It's about 8 to 10 miles an hour. So she's going to be all over the place. Flies good though. A little bit harsh in the wind. Nice plane to fly. Look how windy it is back here. Yeah, it's going to be all over. Flies and stuff. Downwind, she's quick. Flies nice. She could be a little scary in the wind, but you can get a hold of her. It's a nice plane. Have to use a little rudder over here just to make the turns nicer so they're not as wide. I like it. Some rudder and elevator to keep it level. Nice flying plane. Wind's picking up. Ooh, a little wind back there.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
great little plane to fly. Oop, wind's picking up. Oh yeah, it's real windy back here. Might have a crash. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, can't see. There we go, there we go. Oh. Okay, we're gonna come in for a landing. It's starting to get real windy. There we go. Oop. Not bad. A little too windy today, but she flies really nice. I like it. A very good plane to fly. Okay, that was the, let me shut the motor off. That was the hobbyzone apprentice stol 700 today in the yard. Really nice plane to fly. And now the winds are calm, but it's still a little breezy. It gets up there in the gusts. But she flies really nice. Great little beginner plane. Well, have a nice day. See you on the next flight.